mean it. 15 miles an hour, they mean it. Wow. That's a big pass. Corvette or something with good suspension up here, man. Wow. Welcome back to California. That's right, Yuki, that's right. Where's the cows? Where's the California cows, huh? Where's the California doggies? All right, that was good. Okay, so we get there, and I parked up there by the new latrine that somebody built up there for them, and I'm waiting because Ross is busy doing a couple of tours there, or one tour, and so I'm just sitting there checking out his Jeeps and stuff and his land. And if you look real carefully, you can see where the mines are up in the hills and stuff. And finally he comes back, and we sit down and talk for a while. You know, he had a little time before his next tour, and pretty interesting. And before I left, I did give Ross a donation, a small one, you know, but to help keep things running, because what he's doing is fantastic, man. You know, trying to get all these mines and stuff lined up and be like it the original way that they were, you know. And he's done a lot of work out there, and it's pretty neat to see, you know, see the people coming back from a tour and see their happy faces and stuff. And, you know, just to be able to sit down and talk to Ross. The wind got us, you know, my mic couldn't handle all the wind noise, but you know, just to sit down and be able to talk to Ross for a few minutes, you know, fantastic, man. You know, that was great, and it's something that I won't forget. Thanks, Ross, man.